Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today we have one very interesting and challenging algebraic problem. X square minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. We have to find x minus 1 whole power 81 minus x minus 2 whole power 81. So let's say required expression is E. Now we are going to check our equation at x equal to 1 and at x equal to 2. So I will write our quadratic x square minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Plug in x equal to 1. We will get 1 square is 1 minus 3 times 1 is minus 3 plus 3. Left hand side will become 1. Right hand side is 0, which is not true. So for our quadratic equation, x cannot be equal to 1. Now we will plug in x equal to 2 also. So 2 square is 4, minus 3 times 2 minus 6 plus 3. Left hand side is 1, right hand side is 0, which is not true. X cannot be equal to 2 also. So for our equation, x cannot be 1, cannot be 2. Now we'll write our quadratic equation once again. X square minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Now we will subtract 1 from both the sides. So we'll write minus 1, minus 1. Now left hand side will become x square minus 3x plus 2. And right hand side is negative 1. Left hand side can be factorized easily in factors x minus 1, x minus 2 equal to negative 1. Now we have x minus 1 times x minus 2 negative 1, and it is available over here also. So let us assume x minus 1 equal to a and x minus 2, suppose this is b. So we can write our equation a times b equal to negative 1, and required expression would be a power 81 minus b power 81. Let me write here a times b equal to negative 1, and required expression E is a power 81 minus b power 81. Now from the equation AB equal to negative 1, we can find b in terms of a minus 1 over a. X cannot be 1, so a cannot be 0, which we are going to apply over here. So I can write required expression E will become a power 81 minus b is minus 1 over a. So we'll write minus 1 over a whole power 81. Minus 1 with odd power is minus 1. So required expression E will become a power 81 plus 1 over a power 81. This is our target expression. Now I will find a minus b also. A is x minus 1. B is x minus 2. Let's subtract second equation from first one. We will get a minus b. Plus x minus x will be over. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. So we have a minus b equal to 1. B is equal to minus 1 over a. If I will plug in over here, then I can write a minus of minus 1 over a equal to 1, or we can write a plus 1 over a equal to 1. Our target expression is a power 81 plus 1 over a power 81. Now I will write a plus 1 over a equal to 1. Let's multiply both sides by a. A cannot be 0, so we can multiply LHS and RHS by a. Using distributive law, we will get a square plus 1 equal to a. Or we can write a square minus a plus 1 equal to 0. Now we can check our equation at a equal to negative 1. So I will get negative 1 square plus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Left hand side is 3, right hand side is 0, which is not true. So for our equation, I can write a cannot be equal to minus 1 or a plus 1 cannot be equal to 0. So we can multiply both sides by a plus 1 over here. So we can write a plus 1 times a square minus a plus 1 equal to 0 times a plus 1. Left hand side will give us a cube plus 1 cube and right hand side is 0. So we can write a cube plus 1 equal to 0, or we'll write a cube equal to negative 1. A cube is negative 1. We will raise power 27 both sides. So if I will write a cube equal to negative 1, by raising power 27 both sides, we will find a power 81 using power rule. These two numbers will get multiplied. Right hand side will be equal to minus 1. Minus 1 without power is negative 1. Our target expression or required expression is a power 81 plus 1 over a power 81. Now we have a power 81 negative 1. Let's plug in over here. So we will get minus 1 plus 1 over minus 1, which will be equal to minus 1 minus 1 will be equal to minus 2. So our required expression E, which is written over here, will be equal to minus 2. X minus 1 whole power 81 minus x minus 2 whole power 81 will be equal to negative 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck, take care and goodbye.